क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि जस्ट बाय कॉपीइंग अ पर्सन आप इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट हो सकते हो? नॉट इवन गुड एट इंग्लिश, फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश. So how? Let me show you in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Riya Sharma, and in this video I am gonna show you that just by following one technique how you can be fluent in English. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the technique name is shadowing. So in this technique what you're gonna do here is that you have to copy a person. Not only you have to copy a person's words or sentences, you have to copy facial expressions and pauses and tonality, each and everything, confidence as well. So you have to copy all over the personality of a person while speaking. So in this video I'm gonna also show you that how you can do it, and believe me guys, this is the best technique ever for learning English or for being fluent in English, because you are not gonna just listen a person, you are also gonna speak actively, okay, while listening the person. So you have to copy a person not after 10 minutes, not after 15 minutes. You have to copy that person word to word, and facial expressions and tonality and voice modulation at the same time. And that is how you can learn pronunciation, you can learn tonality, you can learn how to take pauses while speaking, and grammar. You can learn lot of things. So if you are a beginner or above than beginner level, this technique will help you a lot. So in this video I'm not gonna copy any American and British accent, I'm gonna copy Indian accent. Why? Because I feel that we all are on our initial phase. I'm also not very fluent in English, I'm also on my initial phase. So I feel that for me and for you guys, it's better to copy Indian accent and it's better to learn the Indian pronunciation, because it will easy for us, okay, rather than copying any American and British accent, which will be difficult for us at initial time. So let's see that how I'm gonna do shadowing and how you can do it.
I can stand on a stage on any platform and start talking.
I can stand on a stage of any platform and start talking.
I can walk into any room and feel confident in myself.
I can walk into any room and feel confident about myself.
And this has not come to me naturally.
And this has not come to me naturally.
Something I've been working on for years now.
This is something I have been working on for years now.
It's been decades that I've tried to build a personality that can influence people, that can help people.
It's been decades that I've tried to build that personality that can influence people, that can help people. Okay, I'm still not very fluent. So yeah, it's been decades that I have tried to build that personality that can influence people and help people.
This video will make you uncomfortable, but it will make you confident. Now let me start.
This video will make you uncomfortable, but this will make you confident. I'm still not very perfect when it comes to do shadowing of Alina Rai's ma'am. She speaks very well. I'm not able to match the facial expressions fully, but yeah, this is how you need to do when it comes to do shadowing. So this is the best technique what you can use, guys. You can do shadowing and this will definitely help you a lot. And you know what, like most of the time people ask me that, ma'am, where to start and what to do, I'm a beginner, I'm not able to understand anything. So you can follow this technique and you can like do shadowing of any Indian YouTuber who speaks in Indian accent. So by following, by shadowing those YouTubers, those people, you will learn lot of things. And I would recommend you to do shadowing of Alina Rais, because I personally feel that this lady speaks very well and in a very simple manner. And what we don't need to make this uh, whatever the language complicated. Okay, we need to make this language easy so we can learn it fast. Okay, so don't make your journey complicated, make it easy, guys, for yourself. Don't uh, at your initial time don't need to learn accent or this that lot of things. People learn lot of things, different vocabularies and all. Hope you love this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.